Hi guys, Jay here, and we are back again with another video. And this time we will unbox and review the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. This is the Mi Band 4. It came with 2 free straps, one blue and one white. The box feels very light, like there is nothing inside. Was I scammed? Let's open the box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, tap like if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We appreciate your help and support. It has arrived. I have been wanting to replace my Mi Band 2 for a long time now. I am sure you can hear how excited I am right now. We have here the watch wrapped in frosted plastic, the charger for the watch, and some documents and useless paper. Let's take a look at the watch. The watch comes with a soft black silicone strap. It is very comfortable on my skin and is easy to adjust. The strap has a lot of holes and will easily fit most wrist sizes. If we are to compare the original strap with the freebies, the original has a better quality and feel. The freebies feel stiff, flimsy, and has tight strap holes. The capsule is removable, the same as the old models. We can see here the 0.95-inch OLED colored display, home and back capacitive button, the heart rate sensor, and charging pins. This is how you attach the unit, and this is how you take it off. Just be careful not to accidentally flick the capsule. It might get lost. This is the first Mi Band with a colored screen. The screen looks good and is very bright. OLED. You'll have no problem seeing the time under the sun. You can also change the watch face of the Mi Band using the Mi Fit app. We have a lot of faces to choose from. Here are some of them. This watch lasts really long on its 135 mAh battery. With heavy use, meaning a lot of notifications synced, full brightness all the time, this watch can last for up to 2 weeks on a single charge. On a very bright afternoon under the sun, I had no problems reading what's on the screen. I can also read the time and the notification messages very well from a normal watch reading distance. This is really a match for people like me who are always on the move using public transportation and is not comfortable taking out their hard-earned phones in dangerous or fishy places. I can change songs if I want. I can see who is calling and have the choice to hang up or put the call on silent. I can read notifications so I know if it's something I need to respond to right away or if it can wait. Bluetooth connection is very solid. For the past week of using this, I never experienced any drops in connection, even if my phone is all the way inside my backpack. Swiping to the left will let you control your music from the paired smartphone. As a daily commuter that relies on the Philippine jeepney as my main mode of transportation, This feature is a godsend. I don't have to take out my phone from my bag just to skip songs that I don't like. There are, however, no volume controls from the watch. Swiping to the right from the home screen is Alipay. We don't use that here in the Philippines, so we will skip over that feature. I also cannot find the option to change Alipay to other payment options. Swiping down from the top will bring up the inner menu. Here you will see the notification, more, weather, workout, heart rate, and status. You can also hide some of these stuff using the Mi Fit app. Here are the 5 things that I hate about the Mi Band 4. Number 1. Alipay. I can't hide the Alipay option, so it's wasted space, since we don't use Alipay here in the Philippines. Number 2. No auto brightness. You can, however, schedule when it will turn down the brightness, but it's not the same as auto brightness. Number 3. No option to adjust music volume. You can only view the volume bar. Number 4. Find My Watch feature is a bit useless because it only vibrates the watch and it's a tiny motor. Number 5. When wearing it on my left wrist, the time peaking feature does not work most of the time. Number 6. No Gorilla Glass on the display. However, this is forgivable for its price. Here are the 5 things that I like about the watch. Number 1. Beautiful colored screen. Number 2. Music control. As a jeepney guy, I like this very much. Number 3. Vibrating alarm on my wrist. Number 4. Brighter screen. Even under direct sunlight, I can still see the time very well. Number 5. Very long battery life. I have been using this watch for more than a week now, and I am still at 37% as of this review, with full brightness and 4 to 7 apps synced. So conclusion time. Should you upgrade? It's an easy yes for me. For the low price of $1,399, I got this on sale. I believe the SRP for this is around 1,500 to 2,200 pesos. This is a steal. I love it for its features, its battery life, and how it complements my on-the-go lifestyle. This is the end of our unboxing and review. The Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is not only for the fitness guy or a smartwatch enthusiast, but it's also a great tool for daily public transportation commuters like me. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.